Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through how to use PPTO protected paid time off on the Walmart app step by step. So let's get started without wasting any more time. You have to launch the Walmart app on your mobile device, or if you're using a PC, go to your browser and search for Walmart and go to their official website, visit their official website. Now you have to launch the Walmart app, or if you're using a device, and if you're using a PC like I am using it, so you have to log in using your Walmart associate credentials of either your Walmart One login or your regular Walmart account. Once you're logged in, go to my schedule section. After signing, you will see an option called my schedule. This is usually found under the Me tab or in services depending on your version of the app. So you'll find it somewhere here. Now let's move forward to the next option. Here you will be able to view your upcoming shifts, time off requests, and your available PPTO balance. Inside the schedule section, look for your available PPTO hours. This shows how many hours of protected paid time off you have available. If you don't see it right away, look for a link for or button that says view PPTO balance or something similar like this. To request time off, tap on request time off or request PPTO. You will find this option here on your device, I mean on your Android or iPhone, and if you are using PC, you just have to sign in and it will shown here. So fill in any required information such as reasons or shift details, then tap submit. Now before submitting, make sure to review your requests for accuracy. Once you're confident everything looks correct, submit it. If approved, your schedule will automatically update to reflect your PPTO. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.